Bill's Arts Vintage Toy Store. And here are the Johnny Lightnings I've been telling you about. And we'll take them out and look at these. And as you can see, the ones back in the back row, they're actually a Spectra Flame. And these Johnny Lightnings probably run about $20-$30 a piece for these original ones, but I really don't need them and I don't want them. So if there's anybody that wants Johnny Lightnings, trade me for Red Lines. That would be nice. This one here is probably the best condition one that I have, but he's still got some chips. They've all got chips and they've all been played with, and they're not in the greatest condition. And there's only maybe two that's in fair condition, or and the rest of them are crumblers. That one on the end there. And then I got some here that are newer. One's missing a tire, so I mean, you know, real beater uppers. That one's in fair. This one here would have been nice, but the tire is missing on the back bumper. And actually, it's a Red Line. They're imitating Hot Wheels. It's one of the reasons why I didn't collect Johnny Lightnings. And here's some Johnny Lightnings. They do not belong in my Hot Wheel collection. I already got rid of all my Matchboxes. I only have maybe 3 Matchboxes left, and one's the Kellogg truck that's worth like $30. I'm keeping him. Alright, well, thanks for watching. It's been real, but not real nice, because I didn't find any treasure hunts today. So, see ya, and don't want to be ya.